welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. So when you come home from work of an evening, you have a meal ready and waiting for you. Today I want to show you a very simple dump bag meal which is called Hunter's Chicken. Now you may have had this if you're out and about. Quite a lot of pub lunches sell it. So it is chicken with bacon and cheese and barbecue sauce, and it sounds very complicated, and it is the easiest dump bag that you will ever make. And let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, so we're going to start off with some chicken breasts, some bacon, we've got some barbecue sauce, and I've got some already grated cheese in a little bag. This is all you need, 4 ingredients, okay? And you're going to take a bag, freezer bag, ready to put them in. Now, before I touch the chicken, I'm just going to prepare everything else so that I don't have to keep going back and forth washing my hands. So what you want to do is you want to get a little bag and you want to put some grated cheese in it. You can do some slices of cheese, it doesn't really matter because you're just putting it over the top of the chicken later. But I happen to have some grated cheese that was pre-bought grated cheese, so really simple, and I'm just going to put it in my bag. In my bag, I'm also going to get another tiny one, and I've just added some barbecue sauce, just a cheap, it was on the end of an aisle, barbecue sauce, and poured it into the bag, okay? Because you're going to freeze the ingredients together and then make it when it comes out, and I'm going to explain that as I go along. So, we're a family of 4, so we're going to take 4 chicken breasts. Now these are huge chicken breasts. You don't need to use them this big. I wonder if there's a slightly smaller one for Zara. Let's give Zara that one. We'll have a big manly one for my husband. Right, and what you want to do is you want to take some slices of bacon. Now when I do this, I like to use smoked bacon. I think it's got a really nice taste to it, and it goes yummy with the barbecue sauce. This is a good recipe for the summer. I think it's really nice actually to serve with a baked potato and some salad, which is lovely. Now occasionally you only need 1 piece of bacon. I don't like to eat a massive amount of bacon, especially if I'm doing a sort of double meat, I'm having it with chicken. But if you want to and you've got a huge sort of one like that, then you can put 2 bits of bacon. But generally I'm just going to put 1 bit on each, okay? So you're going to wrap the bacon around your chicken breast, just like that, okay? Then you're just going to put them in your bag. Just pull that out. Don't worry about the fact that there's raw chicken going in with other stuff, because it's all going to be cooked together, so it doesn't matter, okay? So your raw chicken goes in the bag with the bacon wrapped around it, okay? Your cheese goes in a separate bag, and your little barbecue sauce. If you don't want to use so many bags, then of course you can leave the barbecue sauce if you know you've got some in the pantry, and the cheese can be left in the freezer. You don't need to freeze it all together. I like to freeze it like this because I like it to be a full meal. Take it out, defrost it, and I know that everything that I need for that meal is in there, okay? So what you want to do is when you take it out, you want to thoroughly defrost it. Then when you come home from work, you're just putting it on a tray. So you're taking your chicken and bacon out, okay, that's all wrapped together, put it in the tray for about 35 to 40 minutes, make sure you check it, like these ones are quite big so they might take slightly longer. 5 minutes before the end, take the tray out and just put your cheese over the top and put it back in for the 5 minutes, and you want it when the cheese is all bubbly and gooey and oozing, and while the cheese is in and it's cooking, you're just going to get your barbecue sauce, pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds till it's warmed through. Okay, when your chicken comes out, you're just going to take 1 chicken breast each onto the plate, pour your barbecue sauce over it. It's going to be delicious. Serve it with a really crispy Batch Lady baked potato that you've already made in advance, and you are off to a great start for a fantastic summer tea. I hope you've really enjoyed this. 4 ingredients. Make a great recipe. I always make 2 of these a month. We love them. Why not give them a try? Subscribe below on the red button if you're watching me on YouTube. If you're watching me on Facebook, feel free to leave a comment and let me know if you guys have tried this one before. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.